Hi guys, and welcome to another Elementor video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've got a very quick one for you today. We've been creating this series of Elementor hover effects, and you can do them all with the free version as well as the pro version. And there's some very simple effects and some more complex effects. But we had a question on one of these, and it was right about this one here, I think. It's a sort of image to text or text to image, depending on which way around you do it. And the lady said she put in everything, but her title is a different color from her text here, and she didn't know how to change that. Well, it's really easy. You've probably got your headings set up as different colors than your paragraph text in your customizer, but it doesn't matter. You can do it really easy. Let's edit with the Elementor, and let's go down to that particular block. Here it is right here. And presuming that the lady's using what I did here, she followed the video to do it, which is just a regular text module. You can change the colors of these to anything you want by simply selecting the bit you want to change color. There's the title. What's mine at the moment? Let's make it red. A little A up there. Now yours might be closed up. There's usually a little tab up there right here. If you can't see yours up there, hit this little tab right there, and that'll open it up. You'll find this little A with an underline underneath it, text color. Let's make that red. And as you can see, that's turned that red, and you can obviously make this a completely different color down here too. Let's make this something that's going to stand out, a horrible green. How's that? And as you see, that's changed that into that crazy color down there. Now I don't think I particularly want to keep that. I'm going to turn that back to white, but I'll leave the red. And when you're done, just hit the update and you can preview your changes. So like I say, very quick video today, and I hope that's answered that question, but I know it is confusing sometimes when you've not done it before. Let's go down this one here. There you go. As you can see, we've changed the title color, and you can change anything, and you can select parts of the text too and just change the color there if you want to, or make them bold using the simple text editor features that you've got up here. For instance, if you just wanted to bold out the lorem ipsum part perhaps, or have that black and bold, you can do it like that. Obviously I can't see that too well. Let's change this back to white. There we go. As you can see, that first one's white there, but you can grab any part and change the color if you want to highlight certain words. It's really easy to do. Just select the words that you want to highlight, change the color, or make them bold, or however you wish. So I hope that's answered your question there. Very easy fix, and I hope you've enjoyed that today. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, ring the bell, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.